So guys, this will be a 5-minute video. So guys, this will be a very quick, like 5-minute install video to show you guys how I get from this to those intro pictures / clips. So here is a wig, highlighted, very pretty, 24 inches from BEAUTYFOREVER Hair. This is a U Part wig, so I will leave out just a little bit extra to kind of lay down with it. My hair is not freshly washed, but I will be putting minimum heat to this. I have some heat protectant, and that's just how I'm going to do it. I'm not going to be doing a braid down. I'm not going to be doing anything but sectioning out my leave out and slicking my hair down into a low bun and installing this wig. It does come with combs, as well as an adjustable strap in the back. So let's get to installing. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Very simple. I added just a light flip of my leave out to go with like the body wave of the hair, and that is it. U Part wig doesn't have to be complicated. Low bun, it will do what it do. Simple, simple, simple. If you want more security, do use some anchor braids, and you will comb it into the anchor braids, and it'll be just fine, you know. But this method, y'all saw, y'all saw. Simple. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, so check it out if you like it. And yeah. I'm gonna go. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.